Welcome back to another video. Two very special things today. A, I found a cooler. B, worst team to ever play baseball. Not coincidentally, they also play in Toronto. I know, not a surprise. C, this came full of beer. I bought it because it had a cooler, but it also happened to come full of beer. So maybe some of us need to sit down and partake in the consumption of a few of these. Let me know. All right. What I actually brought you for today, this ACS Composites has sent me a bit of a post-crash gift. They have been miraculous in the recovery of my car. They have been outstanding to deal with, to talk to. And they have sent me this. A brand new product. Brand new product. Brand new product. Brand new product time. It is time for the master reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Something I should have put on my car the day I got it, something I didn't put on my car the day I got it, and something I'm going to put on my car now. Either way, it's going on. So, welcome. This is ACS Composite splash guards, front and rear. This is a new product that they have come out with. It is very, very nice. This is painted in their GBD elemental P. I don't know. It's painted. It's gloss black. They have a weird coat on it, but it's painted gloss black. I have no idea on fit and finish. Finish is great, but fitment we will figure out very, very soon. I am assuming, and this is not by any means a guess, but based on everything else that I've put on by ACS Composites, I am assuming that the fit will be every bit as good as it should be. Their products are premium. Their products have a premium price, but their products are premium, which is very, very important to note. You buy cheap things, you get cheap things, end of story. And yes, I realize we're all on a budget. I'm on a budget. I'm not here to trash anybody's car or anybody's mods, but these are absolutely fantastic. And I am very, very excited to install them. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It's a pretty simple unboxing. There's not a lot to it, but we're going to get them on the car. Thank you very much to ACS Composites. This is a sponsored video, and I greatly appreciate their support in the recovery of the car. So, till next time, drive safe, take care, behave, as always.